Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Hafia binti Muhammad Hanif. My metric number is 40. Okay, first introduction for H&M. To begin with, today H&M is a well-known global Swedish company offering fashion clothes for the whole family and their home. Company started its existence in 1947. At that time in Sweden, shop was open. It was called Hennes. It was just a single woman wear shop. However, stores started to expand and in 1964, the first Hennes store was opened in Norway. In 1998, the founder Erling Persson buys fishing equipment. However, to have that perfect balance is not that easy. H&M has the whole system to reach that goal. The best price is ensured by 4 factors: having few middlemen, having a broad, in-depth knowledge of design, fashion and textiles, being cost conscious at every stage, buying the right products from the right markets. However, quality is a central issue from the very beginning to the very end of the production. Also, it is very important to ensure that goods are produced with the least possible environmental impact and under good working condition. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Fadli Dina binti Muhammad Rizal. My metric number is 2034. Thank you, Nano Hafia. Next is green practice. First is reduce pollution. The fashion industry is too good for biodiversity. Everything from producing raw material to yarn production and transportation has an impact on the environment. While it state and industry wide shift to change fashion, H&M are committed to reducing our negative impact by avoiding harmful chemical, fossil-based energy source and single-use packaging. H&M can help protect and serve. That why H&M set an ambitious goal to be climate positive by 2014. This means H&M remove more greenhouse gas from the atmosphere than create. H&M exploring new, more sustainable way to make, transport and package our product. Together with organizations such as WWF and Solidarity, we also want to set a new water standard across the entire fashion industry. It takes 7,000 liters of water to give just that enough drinking water to meet every person need for 7 years. So it's critical that every precious drop is carefully. How will H&M do reduce pollution? How will H&M do reduce pollution? By cutting out unnecessary waste during their including fairer to earth fuel chemicals. H&M also pushing for stronger policies to restore and protect higher end freshwater in countries such as Turkey and Bangladesh. Next is conserve resources. Recycling is an important factor in conserving natural resources and greatly contributed toward improving the environment. Recycling conserves natural resources such as wood, water, mineral, and phosphorus because material can be reused. When we make new products, we use resources like petroleum to make plastic bags, iron ore to make steel cans, string to make paper, aluminium to make cans. Glass, steel, aluminium, and plastic can be recycled over and over again. Recycling metal, plastic, and glass detection and reduce the ecosystem destruction of mining, drilling, and deforestation. Every ton of recycled paper can save 70 trees, 2 barrels of oil, and 4,100 followers of energy. We very found a steel that is recycled 2,050 pounds of iron ore, 1,400 pounds of coal, and 120 pounds of limestone are therefore conserved, increasing steel recycling by 15%, with save energy equivalent to 70 nuclear plants.
Thank you, Fazrin Udina. Okay, next. My name is Nonamla binti Idris. My metric number is 2055. Next, I will explain about reduced consumption and waste. At H&M, we are committed to lead the change toward a circular and climate positive fashion future. With over 1.5 million pieces of plastic and paper bags saved in a year, take a look at the impact of a H&M Malaysia choose to reuse initiative. It celebrates its 1-year anniversary in Malaysia. Since the launch of H&M choose to reuse initiative in Malaysia in July last year, over 1.5 million pieces of plastic and paper bags are saved in H&M store. As part of the initiative, customers are charged RM20 cents for the use of every plastic or paper shopping bag across all stores. Proceeds collected from the purchase of plastic, paper, or shopping bag are donated to WWF Malaysia project to safeguard freshwater resource and ecosystem in the Klang Valley, city wetland in Terengganu and Sarawak. In Malaysia, 97% of water used for domestic industry and agriculture are sourced from surface water such as stream and river. Pollution remains a key threat to water resource in Malaysia, resulting in distribution to water supply in Klang Valley, where Malaysia capital city of Kuala Lumpur and adjoining cities and towns in Selangor are located. In Sarawak, communities depend on clear water from the river or for paddy fields and consumption. Improper waste disposal, the use of pesticide, and erosion of riverbed remain as major contribution to pollution. The city wetlands serve vital ecological function in maintaining fisher resource, coastal protection, and flood control in Malaysia. Yet, existing waste recycle facilities in public awareness remain lacking in the rural area of Setiu. H&M and WWF Malaysia partnership is aimed at understanding the current level of awareness about waste issue and management, devising stakeholder engagement and community outreach program to reduce and promote action on solid waste reduction in the Klang Valley, and Setiu as well, supporting riverbank restoration effort in Long Semadun, Sarawak. According to Sophia Lim, WWF Malaysia, CEO Executive Director Partnership with major corporations like H&M is one of the key components which can affect a real change and progress in conservation. Is also good opportunity to show how industry can work together with us to conserve the environment. Furthermore, the responsibility of providing solution environment problem have always been depend on government and international organization, and we all have to realize their business. Especially major corporations like H&M, can we be a strong positive force for environmental sustainability? Business and the public needed to understand the profound effect we are had on the planet. We are involved in the solution. Since the partnership start, numerous successful initiatives have been carried out with the communities, municipal council and youths from the city and the Klang Valley. The objective of the initiative, apart from engaging with the local community, raise awareness on the importance of the freshwater, ultimately reducing generation of solid waste and improving solid waste management, including through increasing recycle effort.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Ilya Maisara binti Ahmad Fauzi. My metric number is 2043. I will explain about conserve energy. H&M has become the first international fashion retailer to join a global initiative led by the Climate Group that aims to save energy and reduce its carbon footprint by doubling their energy productivity, known as EP100. The collaborative initiative includes 9 other major corporations, one of which is Land Securities, to showcase that by doubling the economic output from every unit of energy consumed, companies demonstrate climate leadership while reaping the benefits of lower energy costs. H&M announcement its membership of the campaign at the 2017 Energy Efficiency Global Forum in Washington, D.C., where leaders from business, government, and leading NGOs gathered to assess the future of energy efficiency. Using less energy and increasing our economic output is a fundamental part of our strategy. H&M Global Sustainability Business Expert Pierre Borgersen said. Next, I will explain about protect Earth's ecological balance. Chemical checklist when washing, dyeing and printing our clothes. Our supplier must meet our chemical requirements. These are often stricter than the regulations set by the industry, and our bottom line that hazardous chemicals shouldn't be used by us or found in any of our products. We were one of the first fashion companies to establish a chemical restrictions list in 1965. Since then, this list has been continuously updated. We perform regular tests like 1,000 per year to ensure our supplier company. To make sure we choose the best possible chemical, we adopted a method called screening chemistry. With this method, we aim to limit hazardous substances at the design stage. Its animal rating is in a start. It has a formal animal welfare policy aligned with 5 freedoms and has some clear mechanism to implement it. Use litter and exotic animal hair. It states that it sources from non-mucilage sheep. It used dump certified by the responsible down standard. It does not use fur, exotic animal skin, or angora. It traces some animal product to the first stage of production.
My name is Noelina binti Mazuki. My metric number is 2115. Consumer green marketing awareness has significantly positive influence of the perceived quality, perceived value, and purchase intention. The result were consistent with the concept brought up by Ottoman 199 and Rudon and Beta 1988. It indicates that green marketing perceived by consumer in the green product brought consumers certainly quality assurance, and the consumer believed that purchasing green product could satisfy their demand in terms of quality, use, and function, and there were reduced environmental pollution and waste of resources, which was worth consumer purchase. Consequently, the more influence consumers have on green marketing awareness, the higher the overall product value is raised, and the purchase intention will also be in change. To change buyer perception, H&M must not only make all commitment to consumer as soon as they start buying and after using green marketing, but also raise consumer awareness of green product and promote this product to be increasingly popular in Ho Chi Minh City. H&M need to increase consumer awareness and concern for the environment to increase their decision to use green marketing. In the study, consumers feel morally obligated to protect the environment and to save the limited natural resources from being used up. Environmental issues are very important to the consumer, and it evokes their positive feeling on the green product. The result supported issue earlier study. Personal norm is a powerful motivator of environmental behavior. The result is a standardized conviction revealed that personal norm was the most important variable that contribute to the dependent variable that is consumer attitude on green product. Business are looking toward gaining to edge in the green market industry by trying to repackage their product into a more environmental H&M product. They are cutting down on extra and waste material, on turning their operational into more efficient and green operation. Companies are also starting to educate the mass with the increase in advertising that put emphasis on green products and how they are more beneficial for the consumer. This kind of advertising goes a long way in educating the mass and promoting the concept of green product among the people. With more and more consumers willing to pay a little extra toward green product, organizations are taking notice of the demand and behavior and attitude of the consumer. We consider pro-social and ethical decision making a context of past consumer behavior and demonstrate that the obsession with the green consumer has to be taken with reservation. Although more exposure to green product can have a positive societal effect by inducing professional and ethical purchasing green product by lesson include the self-interest and ethical behavior. Thank you.